The Mexican drug cartels are criminal organizations involved in the production, smuggling, and distribution of illegal drugs, primarily to the United States and other global markets. These cartels operate in a highly sophisticated and organized manner. It's important to note that discussing these topics can be sensitive due to their illegal nature and the violence associated with them. However, I can provide an overview of how these cartels generally operate. Drug production. Mexican cartels are heavily involved in the cultivation and production of illegal drugs, such as marijuana, cocaine, heroin, and methamphetamine. They often have large-scale drug labs and plantations hidden in remote areas. Drug trafficking. Once the drugs are produced, the cartels use an extensive network of smugglers, known as mules, to transport the drugs across the US-Mexico border. These smuggling routes can be highly sophisticated and may involve tunnels, hidden compartments in vehicles, drones, or even human couriers. Territorial control. Cartels operate in specific regions of Mexico, and each cartel often controls its own territory. This control is maintained through violence, corruption, and intimidation. The cartels may engage in territorial disputes with rival groups, leading to violent confrontations. Corruption and influence. The cartels often corrupt government officials, law enforcement, and members of the military to facilitate their operations and protect themselves from law enforcement actions. This corruption allows them to continue their activities with reduced interference. Money laundering. Cartels generate enormous profits from drug trafficking, and they need to launder this money to make it appear legitimate. They use various means, including front businesses, real estate investments, and financial institutions, to clean their money. Extortion and criminal enterprises. Cartels diversify their income streams by engaging in other criminal activities, such as kidnapping, extortion, human trafficking, and illegal mining. These activities serve as additional sources of revenue and power. Violence and intimidation. The cartels are notorious for their use of extreme violence, including assassinations, kidnappings, and mass killings, to eliminate rivals and intimidate those who stand in their way. This violence creates an atmosphere of fear and control within the territories they operate in. It's crucial to recognize that the activities of Mexican drug cartels have devastating consequences, not only for Mexico but also for the United States and other countries affected by drug addiction and related issues. The Mexican government, along with international cooperation, continues to combat these cartels, but it remains a significant challenge due to the complex and adaptive nature of their operations.